Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, salatu wa salamu ala ashrafil makhluqin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Respected intellectuals and my dear colleagues, today I stand before you to discuss one of the most transformative technologies of our time. In this present scenario, the artificial intelligence AI is not just a buzzword. It's a reality that's changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world. In the next 5 minutes, I will delve into the possibilities and challenges that AI present in our lives. First, let us talk about the possibilities. Artificial intelligence has a power to revolutionize the various sectors of our society. One of the most transformative applications is in healthcare. One of the most AI-driven diagnostic tool can analyze various data of patients and helps the doctor to make fast and accurate diagnosis. This can also undertake the disease outbreaking and ultimately saving our lives. In the realm of education, AI can personalize the learning experiences, and also it can adapt into individuals' needs and the abilities of each student, and making the education more effective and also more accessible. And this AI could be a game changer to the students who struggle with the traditional classroom settings. AI also transforming the business landscape. It can automate the routine task and freeing up the human workers to focus on more creative and more accurate endeavors. And also the artificial intelligence is making much increasing the productivity and also reducing the risk of each human error. But even so, in my opinion, the AI is doing more challenges than the good. While AI holds immense potential, that it is making the world into failure. That is, while it is holding the potential, it is not without its sharing of concern. And one of the most pressing issues is the ethical use of AI. How do we ensure that AI is deployed as greater good and not for harmful purpose? We need a robust regulation and ethical framework in the place to guide development and use of AI. AI, that artificial intelligence, also raises the questions about privacy. With the increasing amount of the data being collected, it needs to, with the strike to be balanced in between the usage of data for the benefit of society and respecting the individual's privacy rights. Furthermore, there is another issue of job displacement. That while AI automate the task, certain jobs may obsolete and leading to unemployment in some sectors. We need to focus on reskilling and upskilling the workforce to ensure a smooth transition to an AI-driven economy. Then the cybersecurity is the another major concern. And with the AI's capabilities, it can be used to enhance the cyber attacks, that making it more challenging and to defend against them. The ongoing cat and mouse game in the AI cyber world, the AI security is requires more adaptation and innovation in the cyber security. As we navigating the AI future, we need to imperative into that we need to do so with this AI technology, and we need to enhance with the great future. And by this, because of the time limit, I am concluding my words. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum.